All right, ladies, who do we have here?
Kaylee, Jess.
Jess. How are we doing this morning?
Pretty good.
Ooh, those are some crazy harnesses that you're wearing. What are we out here doing?
We're gonna jump out of a freaking plane.
You're jumping out of an airplane. That sounds crazy. What brought you out here to do that?
I've always wanted to, and she's my sis, so.
It's not her first one, right?
My second. So.
Okay. How are you feeling? Are you nervous?
I'm even more excited this time, I feel like.
Okay, good. Excited. What about you, Jess?
I'm trying not to vomit. I'll be good.
Good. We'll appreciate it if you don't.
You're gonna clear the camera off.
Let us know if you are feeling that way. I got some bags we can hook you up with. We're gonna get in this airplane, go up to 14,000 feet, jump out, do 140 miles an hour at the ground. Before we do you have any famous last words for any friends or family who might watch this video?
Love you. That's comforting. See you only live once.
Those are good. I will comfort you in letting you know you're not going to need those last words. We're coming back. Let's go have some fun. All right, ladies, are we ready? All right, so close. There's a couple of photos. Yeah, dude, you think you do it again?
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely. Thanks so much for jumping with me. That was fantastic.
Oh my God.